When it comes to marketing, high-quality images are a must. Good images grab the attention of your audience and help build trust in businesses, which can go a long way in bringing in leads, and knowing some simple principles for photography can help up your game. So today, we are going to give you 5 easy tips that will help you do just that. Probably one of the most important elements of a good image is lighting. Natural light is the best to work with, and you can take advantage of it by either taking your products outside or by using the light coming through a large window. Here is a great example from Real Thread that shows great use of natural light. If you don't have access to natural light, invest in some studio lighting and soft boxes. The latter will help you emulate natural lighting and give your images a soft look. Next is to keep your photo clean and simple. Don't have too many props, keep the background clear of distractions, and if you're using people to show off products, make sure to have them pose naturally. Here, we see how Sandy Lake Clothing had their model pose taking a photo as if she was heading out for the day. Simple and natural. Third tip is to pay attention to framing. If you want to show off a final print, make sure you are showing the entire design, but if you want to focus on a specific detail of a product, get up close. Keep in mind that it's better to set up your photo for proper framing, like this image from Printed Threads, than it is to crop it later. Be intentional up front and you'll get great results, no sweat. Along the same line, be sure to take into consideration where you are going to show your image. For instance, if you're going to post on Instagram in their standard square format, frame your product accordingly. Same thing goes for a YouTube banner photo or an online product image. Whenever you are photographing your products, always keep the final platform in mind. And last but not least, don't let equipment get in the way. If you have a nice digital camera, awesome. Use it to its full potential. If you just have your cell phone, perfect. There are so many lenses for mobile photography nowadays that you can get beautiful images with what you've got in your back pocket. By using these simple tips, your marketing photography can improve across all platforms. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow us on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great screen printing videos. If you have any suggestions for future videos, feel free and comment below.